I am David Halmos. I went to the Harvard School of Dental Medicine for my dental school training. I spent 4 years in Boston, Massachusetts, training to become a general dentist. Graduated with honors and wanted to pursue a specialty in prosthodontics. So from Harvard, I went to University of California, San Francisco for an additional 3 years of specialty training to learn the field of prosthodontics. Finished in 2006 and pursued prosthodontics mostly to help the patients that are running into some of the more complex problems in dentistry that the general dentist may need help with. So we see a lot of our patients referred by the general dentist or patients that recognize they have their own complex needs. And so the field is very rewarding because I get to see some of the more challenging patients and really have an impact on their lives. A highlight of my career by far has been when I started this practice. It was also one of the biggest risks of my career, but that's what made it one of the most rewarding. So 10 years ago, I had the decision to either start a practice or continue on in various other practices, a group practice or a partnership. And I thought the only way I'd be able to really achieve the dream of providing the highest quality of care I could provide is to do it myself. And so I went ahead and started in this building. It was a vanilla shell, there wasn't anything here, and immediately started to put into place all of the things necessary to do good dentistry. I think something that would surprise a lot of people is that I built my own airplane. It was something that as a kid I always wanted to be an airline pilot, not a dentist, interestingly. I went ahead and over the years learned to fly airplanes, and at some point in time I realized you can build them. And so I got a kit, sat down and spent 4.5 years building an airplane. Aviation's obviously a big thing, but what's even more important to me is spending time with family. My wife has been with me and by my side throughout my education and into my career for about the last 20 years. And then we have a daughter, Gabby, so we spend a lot of time flying to various destinations. We enjoy traveling, and so that's a good amount of what we do outside of the hours of when I'm practicing dentistry. The part I love most about prosthodontics is the time I'm able to spend with patients. So there's the technical side of the job, and then there's also the side of the job where I'm changing the life of another individual and having a lot of impact on them. In our field, we can spend 90 minutes doing an examination of a patient, and then once treatment begins, we spend a lot of time with them, getting to know not only their dental problems, but getting to know their family, getting to know their life outside of the office. And so by the time we finish with care, I really feel like I got to know the patient and had a big impact on their life.